Hello guys, this is Chris Kenneth. I'm live at OSEGHALE Sons and Daughters Electronic World. Alright, just watch with me. You see a lot of magnificent kitchen utensils and home items. Let's
Everything I know, everything I own, I got it all from you, so I give it all to you. I'm nothing on my own, I have nothing of my own, I have no power of my own, I have no power of my own, 'cause you're my greatest superstar.